Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making soba noodle salad. You're going to need soba noodles, a neutral flavoured oil, sesame oil, soy sauce, honey, chilli or chili flakes, cucumber, coriander, spring onions and toasted sesame seeds. Cook the soba noodles and give them time to cool. Use this time to prepare the cucumber, spring onions and coriander. Next, heat a pot on medium heat and combine the oil, sesame oil and chilli to allow them to infuse for 3 minutes. Take the dressing off the heat and add the honey and soy sauce. Allow the honey to melt while mixing. Set aside and allow to cool. In a bowl, combine the soba, cucumber, coriander, spring onions, dressing and sesame seeds. Then it's ready to serve. For November, I'm making noodle dishes and posting shorts every day, so check out the playlist in the upper right corner. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like or please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching!